what are we making today?
Today we're making a Chia salad. The ingredients are here. This is turnips,
Yep.
apple, and then cucumber, mayonnaise,
What's
condensed.
that? Condensed milk
Yes, it's a condensed milk, and a cream.
and cream.
Yes, it's a cream.
So what will be the taste like for this dish?
It's
Savory or sweet?
not much sweet. This is delicious. It's healthy.
delicious.
Yeah, it's healthy food. It's healthy.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You have first. We have to peel the turnips. This one,
Yep.
and you cut it like this here, and then you make it cubes. This one. This cucumber,
Yep.
the apple, and then you cut also same as turnips and cucumber. That
When do people eat this dish?
after they eat the lunch or something, or maybe just eat like that. And now here's the ingredients. We have to put all the ingredients here in a bowl.
Starting with the cream.
Yes, or anything.
Or anything, okay.
Yes. Also, this one, the
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise. Mhm. Only a
Is the
little.
portion just about the same?
Yeah,
The same portion?
it's depend on you how you taste it. Only a portion this one 'cause it's too
Really sweet,
sweet.
huh?
Yes, only a portion. Just like that. You have to mix. We need to mix this like that. Yes. Okay, after that you have to put this one. First, the apple,
Yeah.
and then after that, the turnips.
Turnips.
Yes.
Do they have to be cold, the ingredients?
If you want the cold, it's better.
Better cold.
Yeah, it's better. And this one, like that. So, and mix it. You mix, and then you put some. This is chia seeds. This is chia seeds. See, it's a chia seed. You have to sprinkle it here.
Artwork.
This is peanuts.
Peanuts.
Yes, most likely we use cashew nuts. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. That's easy.
Okay, so what's the name of this dish?
Chia salad.
Chia salad.
Yes, this is our chia salad.
by Miss Carmen.
Yes, thank you.
Nice.
Good.
Very nice and juicy. Sweet.
Sweet, not much sweeter. Yeah,
It's perfect.
perfect. Okay, thank
Perfect for
you.
any time.
Yes,
you.
thank you.